had to make a quick run. I look crazy. I just washed my hair and we are getting bread. Mom doesn't like grainy bread, but I do.
I like.
This is bread for me.
Okay.
All right, let me get the juice. We're gonna get juice and then that's it. Leash, do you want to say hello?
Hello, people, my people. So when I kept me like.
I know, we look a hot ass mess.
Nobody cares. We're not there over foreign. Nobody no business with what you want to wear. Not there Jamaica no. I be a chat in chat. Nobody cares about anybody here. Everybody mind their own business.
Lisha, you want a hot pocket? I love a hot pocket. I'm not gonna have one when I get home. You want a hot pocket? It's like meat and cheese. And you like cheese?
I want 150 pounds that will make me big. That will make me big like a chunk.
Alright, well don't get any then.
I'm going to can't go on the plane.
Don't get any then.
Yeah,
but the one with the meat tastes better.
We have few on it.
Just cheese. Let's get juice and then an orange juice.
Juice and orange juice, the same thing.
No, I want like juice and then you want like orange juice. You get with me? Alright guys, we're just gonna shop a little bit. Your bati hole isn't clean.
No, it is always clean. It's fresh.
That's so cute.
What's the polish you have?
This is dip gel. It is dip powder. Okay.
Remember the one I mean get the chrome looking.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
How much is that? How much may pay?
I'm just joking. No, well you can just get a polish and let them put the dip on top. Is that what you're gonna do?
Probably.
You are hot girl and a hot girl, so you say hot and a hot to you. I like how that lady in Jamaica did your nails though.
Which one? They don't do my nail good down there.
Why?
As you put them on, they pop off. When me do my nail up and go down almost 2 weeks still. Or 3 weeks and still on. I may have to take them off. Down there so then don't let fly when they chicken back more. People business. And now the people nails good. Okay.
You're crazy.
Some place don't do it good still. Me see do it good, me see no bad.
Guys, we're going in Ulta. What did you have to say to mom so I can
Like
show?
it's not funny dead pussy.
I'm putting that in the vlog too so she can curse you out. My gosh, guys, we're going in Ulta. Guys, I look super crazy. Oh, these are the new foundations. I want to try these. Coconut, warm sun. Guys, we're testing the Super Stay. Maybe grandma would like this. What do you think? She's a coconut?
Which one is your daughter?
Guys, look at this. What do you think I am?
Yeah, no, you're fine. I mean, I think 3 o'clock would be good because I know she goes to the salon. She gets her hair done. I mean, she can always, there's not a lot of stuff, you know.
This is not me.
Look like I don't know nothing about makeup. Okay? I'm not a makeup girl. Just rub on look something for my lip, I'm gone.
That's true, my darling.
Yeah.
Maybe I should get one of these for her. Guys, I don't know. I wonder what the color name was. Guys, we're looking. I wonder if I have any foundations I could give her.
Huh?
I wonder if I have any foundations I could give homegirl. Yeah, I have to look through my makeup stuff. Oh, this is the thing that you love.
How much you want? 92, me put it down. Smell good.
You know I don't like the smell of it?
Like when man
Oh, this one too, he said he loves. Oh,
who send of it?
chingamongia. Guys, we are in Target. Leisha's shopping her last minute shopping trip before she goes down. Look at these clear beach bags. Those are cute. Those are so cute. Who left a message for me?
Who is messaging you, you little...
I don't know. All these people call me and I'm like, who the hell? I don't know who had my phone number before, but Lord of His mercy, they were popping.
Oh, where's we are going?
We are going. You said you want to look at the body scrub. When I got mine was on sale though. You don't need any more vagina goodies. That's it. Don't you do the monostat?
Start going for body splash.
You mean body? Put my.
Vagina is perfectly fine.
Says who? Who told you your vagina was perfect?
Perfect. You can't go first.
Are you doing body like the soaps?
And the soap.
What are you talking about?
Body splash and soap.
Here wouldn't be have body splash per se.
You sure?
Is that real?
Lean.
Is her ass real?
It's lean.
But is it real?
No.
I grudge your.
No, never.
You don't think, is it real? Guys, every time I see these big... Is her ass real? It can't be.
This one.
First of all, guys, every time I see a big ass, I'm like...
How much is this? What?
It's $198.
So we can get two of them, don't you?
Yes, Miguel. Guys, what is the soap of Jamaica? Not even the soap, but the, what is it?
Irish Spring. And I got a friend, anybody want? You never came up with Irish Spring for me.
Nisha, one. I wonder if I should buy two. That's a good deal. Now I can't carry this shit.
Give me.
Me a hot gal, we can't carry anything. What is it? Free $5 when you... Lisha, if we spend $20, you get $5 gift card. Guys, we are in the store. Lisha's shopping. Where is she? I'm not shopping. I didn't buy nothing. All I'm worried about is feeding my mouth and my stomach. As usual. As usual. You know, say not you like my girl. Are you getting the slippers?
My day.
How much are the slippers? $20. They're only $20.
Come on.
You're ready, my girl. They're only 20. Lisha, I was born tired. I don't know why I've been so tired. Maybe I need like a vitamin or something. I see nothing wrong. Guys, I look super crazy, but Mom is about to teach me how to cook, what is it?
Fricassee chicken.
Fricassee chicken. Lisha, come say hi.
Hello.
Do you don't want to learn how to cook fricassee chicken?
Fricassee.
Fricassee chicken? Huh, Lish? You don't want to learn how to cook for your husband? Hmm? Okay.
But drop them. Take time put them in. Set a piece of good, you cock up too much. Turn it on the other side. Right. Put it in there, please.
Right here? I wish there was sweet pepper and stuff in there.